So, hello everyone. This is the full stack application for real time like chat application. Uh, it's based on one stack. The front is in White plus React and backend is in Express plus Node.js. And obviously the back database is MongoDB. Coming on to other styling part, it is mostly done with Tailwind CSS and Daisy UI since I have used Tailwind 4 and most of the UI component doesn't hold Tailwind 4, at least for now. And Daisy UI has the beta version using the Tailwind 4, so I have used that. Apart from that, I had tried very hard to deploy the project, but it won't deploy. Somehow it was giving course error. So that's that. Other than that, you can come in the GitHub page and you can clone the repository and work on it on your own. So let's start the project. This is the basic login page, snap bar, something like that. This is a create page account, then forget password account, obviously. And settings page here, you can see there are 32 different themes. There are actually 35 different themes. If you go in the Daisy UI and if you click themes, you can see here, you can add themes all. Just this line to add all the themes. But I haven't done that. Let me show you. If I go to app.css, you can see I have added the themes one by one. And since 35 would not be what I would say, like correctly in form, or you can say in like close manner, so I have used 32, 8 rows. That is, in each row, eight themes are there. And then that they all work. Right? You can see it was easier to deploy. And this is just a preview and hard-coded message. This is nothing, just it is showing how the theme works. And also the state manager is used by Zoostan, sorry. So as you can see, outstored that this is the authentication user state. This is the chat stage, and this is obviously the theme stage. Like you state like it's based on global variables. So let's start the project. I would say obviously you can log in. Let me create another account. Let's say test5@gmail.com. And sorry, yeah, I should have given the name. And here would be test 5. I have already created some account. If I put, let's say, less than 6 password, I guess, with 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would say password must be at least 6 characters. If I don't fill something, obviously email is required. If I don't fill name, full name is required. If I don't fill anything, obviously full name required and everything is required. So let's paste test 5. So at the rate gmail.com and 12345 6. So if I create the account, it would work. And obviously you can say I have 3 different other accounts. So coming on to, you can search here the name, let's say test. Obviously one I would say. Most of the name is test. So let me try another account. Control Shift 10, local host, create account. Let's say my name Neil@gmail.com. Then 12345 6. So if I click Neil, oh sorry, this is my own personal account. Neil. So obviously you can say the other one just hide because obviously searching back. And this is the toggle only option button. I thought of giving the friend request type. Now at least you can see like everyone who like creates their account you will get here. But actually I have thought of using the friend request option. Like you can go to the profile, you can go over here and say, let's say if someone actually has sent you the friend request based on the username, you can either accept the request or decline the request. If they accept you, they will be here. Otherwise, they won't be here. I thought of that. Actually, there are two chat application here. If you go in my repository, if you say chat app and full stack chat, this one is the full stack chat app, which is this one. And if you want that code, you can go here. But I wasn't able to implement the backend here, so it's just a front end part. But if you want, you can work in here, and obviously you can give it a merge request. I will be happy to add to my profile. Sorry, code. Other than that, let's say, oh, wait, which one I was? This one. So if I type, hello, how are you? Oh, this, hello, how are you? I'm fine. And just come here, I'm fine. You can also upload image. Obviously, if I, let's say, spend a screenshot, if I put you, this is my drawing. And if I click send, it will take some time. And the photo is sent. And if I go here, it went two times. Sorry about that, but if I it send and at least wait, because it would go two times. Obviously, this is there. And if I have to say for the backend part, like let me show you. I have given the limit 50 MB. You can obviously make the limit higher, but obviously this is a free plan of Cloudinary. So like 50 MB, I thought would be good. Actually, 10 MB should be good. By default, it would say 60 KB because most of the time, Express JSON or most of the time uses like string, passes string and text. So like 60 KB is a lot. But if you need to pass image, or like if you want to pass video, you have to put the limit, which is 50 MB. Cloudinary is used for saving the photos and videos, so not videos, only photos, and they will give you a URL which is being saved in the MongoDB backend. Let me show you. If I go to the MongoDB page, let me just log in first. Chat app. Where is it? Mm, So obviously message and this one is different, but as you can see, like receiver ID image, this one is printed here. By default, it would be null, and here it text is null. So let me give you another example. If I go to the users data, so this is test one, test two, mail, obviously, and the password is encrypted. And as you can see, profile picture is by default null or empty. If I put a profile picture, this is for me. Let's say I uploaded a profile picture. Let's say this, and it would be uploading, and profile is successfully updated. If I go here and let's say refresh the data, as you can see now here, it's rendered with the URL which was provided by the Cloudinary. So yeah, this is how it was done. And obviously this was different. Well, other than that, this was the whole project. Obviously, you can also add, like if someone message, they will come on top, something like that, similar to WhatsApp. But it's I've done similar to this, and obviously one people is online, which is this one. And this was the whole project, I would say. If you like have done deployment and actually worked on it, let's say because it wasn't working, the backend and front end is uploaded, but it wasn't passing the front end. It was giving the course error. So that's a problem. Other than that, I will try by myself. Well, And if it works, then I guess it's okay. If it doesn't, still okay. But apart from that, this was the whole project. Hope you like it. Obviously, these are the skeleton parts, and before loading, there are more skeleton parts here too. Like if you go to the front end and check the components, and you can see there are three skeleton, message skeleton, and sidebar skeleton. If they are not loaded yet, they would be showing up. So this was all UI. So yeah, this was the whole project. If you liked it, you can go to the GitHub link and check it. Other than that, thanks for watching.